Today I've got some big news. Introducing the brand new Family Q. It has all the features of the other Qs and more. More space to cook whatever you like for starters. And with so many accessories, I reckon this is the perfect size for outdoor entertaining all year round. It'll handle big family roasts, weekend barbecues for a crowd, and even a pavlova. There are just so many ways that you can load it up. It's got 4 wheels, so it's easy to move around. And there's plenty of storage under this durable, powder-coated steel cart for all the gear you need, and possibly some you might not. On the subject of chickens, this new Weber Family Q is big enough to roast 2 chooks at once. That's like 2 birds, 1 barbecue. Okay, so who's hungry? If you'd like to see more, head down to your local Weber store and feed your curiosity.